Morning guys, in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So at first open the settings, then find and select apps. Here go to app management at the top of the list and choose the particular app, like go one by one. But if you want to do it just for a few, just start with those that you use the most. Now click on storage usage and here clear cache. Then recreate the action for each app or for those that you use often. And that's it. So this will definitely speed up your device. Then you can just close all running apps in the background, and if you want, just perform a soft reset at the end. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.